Hello guys, welcome up to the channel. So today's video is daily GK series. As you guys have been so much in confusion with the GK, what to do and what not to do. So I have come up with GK series which I will upload daily. So let's start. The first question is, who has become the first second gentleman of United States? The answer to this question is Darlang M. Hoff. He is the husband of Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris is the first female vice president of United States. Let's move to the second question. It's which Indian company has topped the 300 leading cooperatives in the world? It's IFFCO. IFFCO's full form is Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Organization. The third question is which which is the best institution for the gazetted officer for the year of 2019-20? It's the Rajasthan Police Academy. The fourth question is Tikse Monastery and Indian Astronomical Observatory will be displayed in the tableau of Republic Day Parade. They are located in. The answer to this question is Ladakh. Then the facts about Ladakh is its union territory it has gained the name of Union Territory on 31st October 2019. It has a number of districts that are 2. Then the Lieutenant Governor is Radha Krishna Mathur of Ladakh. And the festivals of Ladakh include Losar, Ladakh Festival, Hemis Tishu Festival, Sindhu Darshan Festival. And national parks in Ladakh include Hemis National Park and Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary. The fifth question is Girl Child Day or the International Day of Education is observed on 24th January. And the National Girl Child Day observed for focusing attention on ensuring equal opportunities to the girl child. So the main theme of it is attention on ensuring equal opportunity to the girl child. Let's come to the sixth question. It's India's largest multimodal logistic park will be come up in. So you have to comment me the answer below. The seventh question is which state or UT will install GPS and panic button in all the public passenger vehicle for the safety of women passengers? The answer to this question is Chhattisgarh. The eighth question is who has been elected for the Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar? The answer to this question is Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. The ninth question is which institution has won the Ice Hockey Association of India? So the answer to this question is ITBP. So the full form of ITBP is Indo-Tibetan Border Police. And the last question is Operation Sardhawa launched by BSF was launched by which institution? It was launched by BSF. The full form of BSF is Border Security Force. We all know it is due to check the instance of infiltration to the dense fog in this region. So we have completed 10 questions of GK series. I will update you every day the GK series. So I will come up with more new videos. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.